Hey, hi, Arundam. Bro, I don't do Arundam Datta. I don't do in a tabular if I follow recursion and memorization and memorization. I hope I am audible and all right. My voice should be all good and audible. Yes, it is a valid approach, bro. It's not like that whether someone will accept or not. It's about I have always used memorization. Uh, yes, as long as you are able to understand things, bro, you should stick with it. So, for example, let's say some of the question you are not able to understand from Clubber's playlist, then go to any other playlist. But as long as you are able to understand and grow, then you don't really need to switch. Yep, yep, yep. YouTube, bro. Black Hat Gamer, YouTube or Udemy. Black Hat Gamer, bro. I have not specifically seen the. Yeah, Udemy are paid, but those are worth it. Like, I have never learned, bro, from advanced Spring Boot and all, bro. So what I can suggest you is like you can watch couple of videos and that would be, yes, Black Hat Gamer. Yeah, Emperor, but that's what I'm saying. YouTube and Udemy combination of if you're not able to find on YouTube, then you go to, yeah, bro, from YouTube only. Arindam Datta, bro, learn from Aditya Verma. Basic brute force only. Nothing fancy, easy question. First question is always easy, so I'm just drawing brute force to get started. No, no, nothing like that, bro. So, Emperor, you are. Today I did a 4 hours of stream. In between, I was doing resume reviews and whatnot, bro. And this is the second stream of the day. So, if you go to my channel, this is like the second 3 and 3 hours. So, 1 hour ago, I already did a stream, so that's why. And in that, I did 10 resume reviews, and each resume review took around 7 to 8 minutes. So 80, 90 minutes there and then rest study. So my laptop is very slow, guys, nowadays when I am on the stream. For some reason, it is very slow. Not sure what is the reason. Always NM. Not sure why this is always M and I always dedication OP in the chat. Bro, who said his videos are matrix filling? He never did matrix filling, Arindam Datta. He never does. Aditya Verma, what are you saying, bro? Aditya Verma dynamic programming, right? Who told you he does that? He starts from C recursion memoization, then he explains for one problem, then after that he does memoization only for all the other problems. Which one did you, which like where are you saying that he creates? And he only taught top-down DP here, which is bottom-up DP basically. Uh, Emperor, which DP use? You use memoized or you use which one? Which one do you do? You straight away create table or you do memoization plus recursion? Bro, it is getting. Don't see 0, 1, see subset. Bro, see subset sum in subset sum also. You can do memoization, bro. Most of his videos would be memoization. Target sum would be memoization. Bro, watch his first video, bro. Watch his first video, how he approaches the problem. You don't just jump to the middle of start from here. Just like you watch Netflix. Do you watch like the second episode of Netflix series first or the first episode? Start with the first. Where was I, bro? I got lost. Yeah, recheck, bro, recheck. Based on this rating website, bro. Use the rating website to solve new problems. Given a following detail, a metric. Bro, I already did in the morning, bro. I already did that. This is like a normal stream. This is not a resume review stream. Given the following details of matrix, given the following details of the matrix with n columns and 2 rows, the matrix is a binary matrix, n columns and 2 rows. So you have n columns and then two rows. So basically rows are same and then the columns are n. Makes sense. Matrix is a binary matrix. Okay, 0, 1. The sum of the elements in the 0th row is upper, that is 2. And the sum of the elements in the first row is lower. Okay. The sum of the elements in ith column, that is also given. So this sum is given 1, 1, 1, and you have been given upper sum also and lower sum also. Is see like a backtracking question or what? No, no, it's not a backtrack. And columns, you have 3 columns and your number will be, you start with, and your column is 1, 1, 1. Your upper is 2, lower is 1. So and then you only have 2 columns. So basically a plus c equal to 2, f equal to 1. Then a plus d is also given to you. So what if I draw this a, b, c, f, and then n is 1. Here you have 2 and here you have 1. So what would a plus c 2, c plus e, f is equal to 1, and a plus d equal to 1 plus e plus f is equal to 1. Then I know the value of an element. And also the value can be, so the Can I some is there any possibility? Manish, bro, I'm good, bro. How are you? Bro, I will be bringing the like face cam. There was I created a poll. Uh, once I hit 5K subs. That way, I think it would be more fun. Will you are still in college, bro? Lot of time. Don't worry. Feeling extremely well. Bro, binary tree, I feel Aditya Verma has thought really well. So if I have to just search, like based on my experience, I can recommend you. Like you should probably watch. I have not watched any of this video to be honest, but give it a go. Like watch one of the video if you find like this. Probably you can watch based on the views, and if you don't like it, then move to the next playlist. Just read some comments, right? All of these channels are, I feel, are good. Not sure about this one though. But I personally haven't really watched any of the videos, right? So I can't just recommend anyone out of nowhere. Why all the problems are nowadays coming mathematic? So many mathematic problems are coming these days. No idea. Anyone in the chat has an idea? Any hint? No, 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 Amrish. This website, bro. This is meant for LeetCode problem rating. No, Code Forces, just like Code Forces rating, this also has a rating. It's very similar to Code Forces. Each problem has a ELO rating. It's something called ELO. Mhm. Somehow I need to leverage this 0 and 1 thing. I'm not able to think of how would one leverage 0 or 1 thing. How would one leverage 0 or 1? Manish Bhargava, try to learn, then that will help. Should I focus on JSP servlets moving to Spring Boot like a week? I have no experience with Spring Boot, bro. Uh, I have no experience with Spring Boot. I just know Java, only Java, that is enough to do DSA. That's it. I don't know other stuff. Enough to do DSA. Mm. Career portal, Manojadi. Mostly via career portal. I always recommend career portals. Spring Boot is like black hole. Feel free to hit the like, guys, if you're watching and you like the streams. But why you are so surprised, bro? Golang is very famous. It's not like that everyone is working in Spring Boot. Anuj, bro, you have to revise, bro, every day. It's not like that you can. Still, I am also, see, I stopped doing DSA for 3 months. It feels like I'm starting from zero. So I was not able to do DSA for 3 months. Now it is feeling like that I'm at zero. So it happens with everyone, bro. It's as same as that you going to gym and you not going to gym for 3 months. Same, same feeling. Anyone has any idea on the chat in the chat? Any hint they would like to give me? This 0 1 thing, yeah, there are some things that I follow, how to get referral and all that. Bro, you should solve unseen problems and then like the problems, like for example, topological sort. Let's say you have learned today, right? So you should revise it after 3 to 4 days or a week or so, right? Which topic are these questions come from? Metrics is really weird topic. Not sure, bro. This is like again a problem solving only, I think. So this doesn't have any topic. This is like some intuition, mathematics based. I have drawn something on whiteboard. Deep Jyoti Kole. Bro, do study CS fundamentals. High level design, you're in college. If you're in college, you don't really need to worry about high level design. Don't worry about if you are in college. See, that's the fun of, right? You don't really know that's the fun of solving contest. It's like using all your brain. Yeah, focus more on LLD, bro. You don't really need to worry about HLD as such once you cross 2 years. Bro, what do you think from my voice? And what do you think from the thumbnails of my channel? What a nice question, bro. So once I'll bring the face cam right, I think this question will not be there. I'll bring that once I hit 5K on weekends. Not on weekdays, but on weekends. Did you do today's con? No, bro. I did not. Did you guys do? Clueless, bro. This is like clueless. If I start from first row, right, and I can know that, okay, this column also has one, I can give one to it, right? Because zero is not going to harm me. So let's say they are saying that first can have let's take an example of second thing. Okay. Not sure, bro. Not sure. Faizan Mohammed. Tushar Sharma. Hey, bro. I'm good, bro. Mohit Panchikar face. What do you mean by face, bro? There is no face cam. I'll bring face cam once I hit 5K. And on the weekends, on the Friday, probably I'll bring it, bro. Yes, sir. Let me do a dry run of this problem. Ankit Kumar, bro, I'm not doing, bro. I did that for 3 hours in the morning today. I'm this stream I'll do probably some days on the weekend, but not doing it as of now, brother. Mhm. Bro, resume reviews take a lot of time, bro. I have done in the if you are I did a lot of that in the morning stream. For 3 hours, I did that only. Uh, so it takes a lot of time, bro. Without referral, Shivam Dhakkad, bro. Build array, call by column. Yeah, that's what I'm also thinking. Have you done CP? No, bro. No, no, I haven't done CP. Bro, I think I need to, going forward, I will also put a chat here on the screen somewhere, like LeetCode, then I can look at the chat there only. Rishu, bro, I have created a end-to-end video on the resume. That has tips. Feel free to like the stream, guys, if you find it helpful. LinkedIn, bro. You can send it on LinkedIn. Okay, so you have how many columns? So you have so many columns, and then five is the. So let me do on the first only. First, you have three columns only, one, two, three, and then you know that okay, this column has one sum, right? And this row also has one sum. So you can probably give this row. From first row, you can give that sum. Now in the second, you know that okay, it has sum. You can give that one. But the call sum is only one, so you can't do that. So you have to make that zero. So you go to the next element. Now your upper is zero. Upper is left with one. So you can make that as also. So basically you only have two rows, right? So whenever you make any element in that row one or zero, you are basically utilizing. Yeah, seems very straightforward now. So you have two sum. So you need to make any of the. So you can make whichever you want, right? You can make this. Okay, so let's take an example. So I have to return a list, right? So I'll go with metrics and will later convert into a list. Two rows. Now for int I is equal to 0, I less than m. First I'm tackling just the first row. Okay, like brute force. So this is number of columns and I plus plus first row. If upper is greater than 0, right? Then you do matrix of 0 comma j is equal to 1, right? Upper minus minus basic brute force. Now we'll tackle about the second, right? So if, yeah, so basically lower is going to give me an issue there. Will this work? I don't think this will work. Manoja D job applying video anytime soon. Uh, sh- I'll be looking at the chat here only. Manoja D job applying video anytime soon. I can create that. Uh, Probably next weekend, Manoja D. Next weekend. In the worst case scenario, it could be two only, right? Damn, bro, this is like really easy. Did I overthink it a lot? But if it is one, then which you should. I did the same question just 2 minutes ago. Oh, nice. Bro, what if it is one? Then what should we do? If call sum of I is one, then will we push to the first row or to the second row, or does it matter? It doesn't matter, maybe. Like if you have enough in the upper, then you push to the upper. If is it like that? Okay. Yeah, if you have more in than in the upper, otherwise in the lower, right? Right, really nice. Nice, nice, Adarsh. Good one. Really, it's pretty like okay. So if yeah, call sum can be only one or two, right? So basically, what you are saying is upper is greater than zero. But will this also work or not work? Let me check. What I was trying to do is, but yeah, this is like a very bad way of doing it then. So right way would be like this only. Yeah, that is okay. That is okay. In the end, you have to return fixed size only, right? In the end, you have to return fixed size. That is okay. That is not gonna create any problem. So how many columns I have like this? Probably what you are saying is I can do something like this. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here n is m. So all number of columns. So if call sum of I is equal to 2, right? That means that you are saying that matrix of 0 comma I is also 1, matrix of 1 comma I is also 1, right? But here I have to make a check whether it is less than or not. Dice bro, you can read more about me in this. Here you can see. Read here. This will give you information here, bro. If upper is 0, yeah, if upper is 0 or lower is 0, because that means that you can't really have, right? Then you will just return the list. Now if upper is, if call some, damn bro. Yeah, this is the case that you are seeing, right, Adarsh? Take care, bro. So upper is equal to if this is a good one. This is something that did not came to my mind. Hello, bro. Bro, I'm solving. I generally don't solve like random problems. I'm solving via contest only, bro. Yeah, I can probably replace this with array only. That makes sense. Mhm. Damn, bro, then I have to add remaining elements also in the array, right? That's why I had created it. Mhm. How come I can add upper should not be 3, right? If lower is equal to 0, upper minus minus. Can you tell me? Bro, I am like upscaling a contest, so won't be taking a look at this 85. Really sorry about that. Hello, Ditya. Hello, gaming. Can you tell me what CP? CP is competitive programming, bro. If you want to do CP, Code Forces is the best solution. Go to Code Forces and then do CP. So at the rate GK, most welcome, bro. Most welcome. Feel free to hit this like if you find it helpful. Also, it should be 0, right? Uh, Bro, next weekend I'll be coming up with face. I'll bring the face chat as well also to make it more interactive. But so far I think it's going good. Uh, yes, bro, yes. Mhm. But anyway, bro, it's not like my face is hidden, right? So you can know more about me here. You can visit this link uh, to know more about me. So that link you can visit. But like on live stream, yes. If anyone has any questions, bro, there is no point of the rank Unix factory because I am talking and doing problem. Rank would matter if you are like completely focused and then doing, right? Like there is no point of answering the question then. It, like when I used to participate in virtual contest last year, I used to be completely focused in that, right? But I do talk and who I'm kind of doing it for fun. Fun and then yeah, to kind of get better again in DSA. What is currently where and also like second problem I was talking to someone on the chat. Otherwise I would be still stuck on the second problem. Probably. For DSA want to because for DSA want to switch from CPP Java. Bro, if you want to do LLD in Java also, then that is then only it makes sense. Otherwise, there is no point of doing that. UNX factory, bro, these are old contests. So in this was happening probably in oh, this is today's date, but this contest was probably so there would be like 5,000 participants only, not more than that. I would say. Let's see. Yeah, 6,000 only. So back then, LeetCode was not that popular. So nowadays there are easily 20, 30,000 participants, right? Yep, yep. This is like 2169. Because no, bro, it is your choice. You can do LLD in whichever language you want. You can do it in Golang. You can do it in C++. It's not like that you have to only do it in Java, but it is easy in Java because you can correlate with the concepts of classes and whatnot. So it is easy in Java. That's why I personally do that. The engineer, bro. Hello, bro. Hello. What's up? Best of luck, bro. Best of luck. Bro, like whether you are in college, whether you are working, like you have to tell me little bit more to for any suggestions, right? Bro, keep applying, do DSA, keep applying. Those are the only, and do DSA if you want to eventually join an MNC, or those would be my suggestions. But those are not like uh, anything special, right? DSA is something that you should know because if you want to apply to any MNC, first round will be DSA if you have just passed out. How many openings have you applied to? Smith Patel, bro, I have created two Uber LLD videos. Only some like 1.5 hour more is required to do on that. But I think both of those videos cover the gist of it. But I would say one hour more is required to basically complete it. Bro, if you do DS in Java, I think you should do LLD also in Java. That would be my advice. I'll take some more chit chat. If anyone has any fun to say, any chit chat thing to call out, let me know. I'll be doing chit chat till 11:15 and then spend some time on this problem. Given a 2D grid, an island is a maximum four directional. So zero group of zeros and a closed island is a island surrounded by ones. So on all the sides it should have ones. Basically, if there is a zero outside, then that is not an island, right? So this is not an island, this is not an island. So you have one island, then the one island here. So start from all the zeros outside and then mark them one, and then do a DFS from zeros inside and then count them. So basically two in this, there is only this one. Yeah, DFS question, pretty straightforward. Bro, apna college, bro, I would not, Amrish, bro, Uber LLD code. Bro, it is not complete, but you can, uh, it is there in the chat. So if you go to this link, right, bento link, if you click on that, you will find everything here, bro. All the, so now it is increasing only. All the list is kind of getting big. You can ignore these excaliburs is important. So see, this is like, here is the code for LLD till that, till what I have done. This Uber LLD, you can reference that. Let me share that in chat. Let me share this thing in the chat. Where is it? Mhm. This will grow eventually. Slowly, slowly, we will make the list grow. Bro, अपना college DSA, paid DSA is not worth it, bro. I would not like. No paid DSA is not worth it. What about good startups? Do they ask DSA problems or just skill focused? See, bro, skill focused is very uh, focused is like a very generic or you can say wide open statement, very vague statement, right? Your skill might be Java and the startups, the interviewer skill might be Golang, right? So then there is a gap. What he would ask you, Java or Golang? He himself doesn't know Java, right? So good startups, they ask at least first round on DSA. Observe AI, BitGo, all these startups pay like 30, 40 lakhs rupees per year. So they do ask DSA. First round is at least DSA, Adarsh. So we implement according to interviewer. What do you mean? Like in LLD, it's not possible to implement. No, it is possible. Like Uber is not possible, I think, in an LLD interview. Uber is not possible. Uber's probably class diagram would be asked. I have never been asked Uber in an interview, but I think Uber is not possible, LLD end to end. You're asking for Uber only, right? Bro, I have been asked book my show. I have been asked meeting schedule. I have been asked API limiter. I have been asked snake and ladder. I have been asked parking lot. All of these questions I have been asked. Solve problems. Manujadi, what do you mean solve problems? Himandrina, DSA in 2019, DSA in which I have never appeared in 2019, bro, so no idea. Like, I can't compare both of these things. For DSA, I have zero knowledge. Yes, yes, lead code. To solve problems, use lead code. Sumit Patel. Bro, I just hit run on VS Code. I just run VS Code. So that's what I do. Just click on run. Yeah, UNX Factory is saying that 2019, but I have no idea. Vijay Shetty, bro, I have done some defense engineering, but I'm not pretty much so I am not able to pretty much solve question. I am currently Vijay Shetty, bro, solve questions by their rating. Probably give this video a go. This will teach you some of the things that you are not aware of. Vijay Shetty. Yeah, I did, right? Manoja D, I did solve two problems. I think I did solve. I solved these two in this stream and I'll be solving this one also. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward DFS. Manoja D, you also solve along with me. Then only it's good for you. Like you also solve. What else? This is pretty straightforward. I can talk while doing this. This is like a very, what you can say, generic question. No questions. Nice. Do you have Discord servers? Fazan bro, Ahmad, I have a Telegram channel, bro. Uh, but I have put it in a membership. So if you want to support the channel, you can join that. It will. It is like 60 rupees per month. 2 packets of Lays or 2 packets of Kurkure or whatever. Mhm, mhm. Because I reply to messages there, so I is less than 0, I is greater than n, j is less than 0, j is greater than m. Then if or grid is 1, then also it's not worth it. If it is not 1, we make it 1. And then for int d is equal to 0, d less than 4, d plus plus. I don't use Telegram, no problem. I also did not use Telegram, bro. I installed it to make that because Telegram is easy to handle. In Discord, I'll have to create couple of other groups and then more rules are there on Telegram. Like I can control it better because I don't want the channel to be used for different purposes. So, oh, nice, nice. Manojadi, very good if you're able to solve problems. So, DFS grid uh, I plus dx of d uh, j plus dy of d. Good, 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 good. I've seen one thing that on weekends, generally people are more relaxed, but it should be the opposite. On weekends, people should be working more, like if they want to do a switch, right? But I've seen that I've noticed a pattern that on a working days there are more people in the stream. So maybe they are bored with the job and whatnot. On weekend they are relaxing. Or maybe on weekends they are just studying. That also could be the reason. So I is equal to 0, grade of ij is equal to 0. Gosh, Gurai, bro, I have done a lot of resume reviews, bro. I have done like 10 resume reviews, 10 to 12 today, and then spend like 10 minutes on every resume. That's like 100 minutes of resume review, like 2 hours, bro. Really tired of like, I won't be able to do best resume review if I do it now, bro. I'll do it on next weekend, bro, if like, or I can probably over the weekdays, I can like make one of the session doing resume reviews, bro. That's what I can do, maybe. But when I was like talking to everyone, I think some of the good advices that are already shared, and there is a video on the channel that generally talks like this video completely talks about that. So please don't mind. Smith Patel, bro, I am more of a backend engineer. If you want to know, you can ping on LinkedIn probably. Code verse, hey, what's up, bro? Hello, hello. How are you? Why is this 2 coming? It should not be 2, bro. 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Oh, bro. If it is anything around the edges, right, then we need to kick out those basically. How much is the rating of this one? Should be fine. Let's solve this. Let's see at least. Where can I get a company-wise lead code list? Bro, it is available on the internet, right? I think I have a premium. I have a lead code. See, first link itself. You can use this. 2 months ago, someone had uploaded here. Or you can buy a lead code premium. Bro, how many hour you have been coding? Like today? Today, bro, I have solved these 3 problems. Second, I had to take a hint. Second was a really nice problem, but thank you. Most welcome, bro. Start from your minimum rated program, bro. Like for example, if let's say your rating is somewhere around 1200, right? Solve these rated, and this is how you can filter. So probably put 100 here and then 1200 here, and this is how you should filter. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Faizan Mohammed, what do you like? Are you, whenever I come see you solving, feel like you are solving it forever, but you already solved 3 in a day. Three not in a day, bro. Three in an hour. Day, we have not even gone to a day. Feel free to like the stream, guys, if you find it helpful, motivating. Feel free to do that. Mm, Given a list of words, list of single characters. List of words, okay, and list of single characters, okay, might be repeating, okay, and score of every character, okay. Return the maximum score of any valid set of words formed by using cannot be used two or more times. Okay, I'll have to understand the problem. Amrish, that's okay, bro. This is a virtual contest. So I was able to solve first three with some help here and there. That is a win, bro. Yes, yes. That is true, Manojadi. Yep. Given a list of words, dog, cat, dad, good, uh, a list of single characters might be repeating, and score of every character is given to return the maximum score of any valid set. Okay, 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 okay. Maximum score. So basically, I have to choose the letters. These letters are the same. No, no, right? So I have a size of each character, right? So E is 1, D is 5, G is 3. So dad 11 makes 11. Good makes. A nice problem. So probably good has a score of. Okay, so let's just type it out, right? Dad has a score of 11. Good has a score of 3 plus 4, 7. plus 5, 12. And then dog has a score of 5 plus 7 plus 10. And then yes, Manojadi, yes, they are very close to lead code contests. Especially online assessments are very close. So good dad, cat is like 9, A is 10, and T doesn't even have marks, is it? Uh, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yeah, T doesn't have scores, so cat also has 10. So dad and dog would make it 21, that is correct. And then you have a count of each also. Can we leverage priority queue somehow? What are the constraints are very less because it's a backtracking problem. Constraints are I did not check the constraint. It feels like a backtracking problem. So probably we would try all the combinations. You take D. It could be a bitmask DP as well. But the word length is this. Letters dot length is 10. That is okay. But words dot length, there are only 15 words, right? So either you can take, yeah, it's a DP. Yeah, it's a DP only. Yeah. DP has set also probably we have to. So what could be the things that we need to know, right? Hmm, remaining characters as a key. Yeah, this seems like a DP. Let me try this. Bro, which is comparatively easy, Java or C++? Both are good, bro, but C++ has less syntax. So I would say that you can go with C++. Okay, I'll be taking a 5 minutes break. Now I'll be answering any questions. 3 days office, bro. So this stream probably would end around 12 a.m. So I'll be sleeping around 12. Where to learn do DSA? YouTube, bro. YouTube has everything. Bro, watch video from anyone if you feel like, okay, this guy is teaching in a good way. Then Aditya Verma for DP Striver is good. Manojati, not really CP. Not like today's concept. This is not a CP question. This is like a DSA question, the one that I'm currently solving. This is like a bitmask DP because you have 26 frequency and then you can put it in a bit. I think so. But I would create a string and then try my luck whether I'm able to solve it or not. But let's see if we are able to solve it or not. Uh, mhm. No, bro, Faizan, I'm not in Hyderabad. Yes, Aditya Verma is really helpful. Ritik KS, bro, how many openings you have applied to? Shashwat Anand, I have 5 years of experience in which as a Salesforce developer can I? Yes, bro, you can switch. Bro, use rating website Shashwat Anand, bro. Close to 50, bro. Apply to more. Let's do a coding competition. Bro, I am not nowhere expert, bro. Struggler. I am actually struggling. You should, there is a contest happening every week. You should participate in that. You will do a competition with other people. Razan Mohammed, bro, I'm not in Hyderabad as of now. Yes, yes. I'm in Punjab as of now. But appreciate your offer. What kind of events happen there? Like, what do the people do in the event? No, I just want to understand how you guys think while coding. Let's suppose some random motion given to you. How would you jump to the solution? Struggle, I have done that for these four problems, bro. You can just rewind the stream if you want to know that. Just rewind the stream. Cybersec based, not our domain maybe, but good for networking. Okay, okay. Here I am able to make good network with you guys by talking to you guys. This is good networking. Boom, 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 boom. This should give a TLE, but it should give right answer. Damn it, bro. Wrong answer 21. So, bro, I'm not reducing it. Damn it, bro. Here, if even if I'm taking it, I'm here again passing that same thing to that, right? Because if you are taking it and then in the second option you are okay, let's Mhm. I don't know the exact number, but I have been applying aggressively. Yeah, bro. Keep applying, bro. Keep applying. Oh, bro, it. Oh, wow. Brute force got accepted. That's like crazy. You don't even have to memorize it. Let's grow, bro. Nice. See, this was not a hard. This is why I say that use lead code rating because I'll tell you exactly why I was able to solve this problem. Uh, See this one, even though it is a hard right, but its rating is 1882. So 1882 So your hard could be in a different levels, right? So as uh, I have practiced, so I'm sometimes able to solve these kind of problems. But let's say if we talk about this bi-weekly, so two contests in front of you. This is also question four, but this is 2451 rating, right? Like there is no chance, even if I sit here for like 12 hours, I'll not be able to solve this problem, damn sure, right? That's why. But both are hard. Both are marked hard on LeetCode. So that is why stay true to this. Use this website. Very underrated resource, but you have seen live example today. Live example. So 27 people are watching. Not sure how many were watching earlier also, but this is a live example that I always talk about, right? Like, I'll not be able to solve this problem, even though both are hard. So this underlying rating is important, guys. Like, not sure why no one is telling these kind of things, but that this is the truth, right? It's live example in front of you guys. Bro, while development, do you work pentester team? What is pentester team? What if they ask that in interview question? What rating to maintain? 1800 is fine, bro. You are saying 2500. Bro, these kind of questions will be asked in rubric kind of interviews, like companies that pay around, for example, let's say the companies which pay you around 80, 90 lakhs per year. Then you will have to do work hard, bro. Then work hard. Put in like, if you do lead code for 2 years without any breaks, you'll be able to solve this also. Like I have never done, now I'm struggling. So this problem I was struggling, it was just 1500 rated. But this was DP, this was graph. So both of the problems, third is DP, fourth is graph. So this problem, right? How I thought of is DP, I thought of it because you have couple of options and then the constraints are very small. So it's like 15 only. So take and take, right? This I didn't even have to memorize it. This is a recursion. Now, if I open the comments of this problem, right, you'll see that people would have commented that this is just easy. This is like medium by far. I can practically show you that. So don't just go by the title on the lead code, right? The difficulty on the lead code. Don't go by that. Go by this rating website. Thanks for reducing my insanity, yeah, bro. I'll show you practically. Here it would be do brute force. Like, see, the word is you can iterate over every subset. See in the comments. This is confidence booster. Problem hard, constraint easy, medium. Mm, don't have to use DP, that is true. Medium but lengthy, you see. I told you guys, right? It's a easy or a medium problem. What it is has to do with hard category. I told you. One little problem. Memoization, you don't even have to do memoization. Try to solve it in Bitmask way. Yes, this is true. If you want to learn, you should do it in a Bitmask way. But yeah, so sometimes the hard problem will not be hard, but some problems could be hard. Do they have a Bitmask tutorial in the chat? Yeah, they don't even have Bitmask. This is a confidence booster in the very first go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice problem. Confidence booster, really confidence booster. Should I also give CF contest? Bro, I am not a CF kind of a guy. I am myself lead code kind of a guy. So there are 28 people watching. Are 28 people actually watching? Can you guys put a hey in the chat? I'll start. No, this decreased to 25, I think. Mhm, mhm. Okay. Hey, Unix Factory. Hi, Ram. Hey, bro. Hey. Ashwat. Hey, hey. Oh, others you are like watching from the you have been watching from the starting only then. Goats of football. Hey hey bro. UNX Factory is also every day. Rutuk X is also hey hello hello. Just want to interact with you guys. That's why I've asked you to put hey. So that I know whoever people are watching. So like UNX Factory is a what is the name? UNX Factorize. Factorize, not factory. He is a regular. Goats of football, bro. YouTube is the best. I come every day but code parallelly. Oh, nice, nice, bro. Solving rating, oh, nice, nice. That's why I don't reply. That's cool, bro. As long as you guys are able to maintain the consistency. That's what the live stream is for, right? To give motivation to everyone. But please just hit the like button. I think 10 people were actively there. 10 people were watching. DSA stuff. Bro, if it is tough, that's why companies pay a lot money. It is not that tough also. Like, but it is tough. You have to be consistent with it, right? That's why companies pay for that, right? Hmm. Abdul Bari is good, bro. Abdul Bari is really good. Stick to Abdul Bari. Bro, this is the tip only that use rating website. That's my first tip. That use this website. Don't just blindly solve. Don't solve like problem of the day. That's not required. You make this your problem of the day, right? Like contest of the day. So contest of the day. And then you will be able to boost your momentum by solving a easy, and then you can put your more brain on the medium and then you learn. So if let's say you were not able to solve this one, then you will learn DFS, right? If we go to the editorial of this, it would be like DFS problem. So bro, it is there in the chat. If you see, right? If you click here, uh, pinned, see. Hi and welcome. To know more about me and resources, visit this. To click on that, it will take you to this. Best way to solve unseen problem by rating. Click on that, and then you will get LLD, HLD, everything. If you want to become the member of the channel, visit this link. Simple. What's with the purple crown? No, bro, this is for like people who comment more. So Manoja and you and others. These are like people who are like top commenters in the chat. Learn or die. Okay, bro. Okay. Solved 17 problems today. Let's go, bro. Really good. Goats of football. Bro, who is the goat of football? Goats of football, bro. Who is the goat? See, bro. Too messy. Is the goat of cricket. God's gift, Messi, hard work, Ronaldo. Sabhi, I'm good, bro. Madhav Agarwal, Tandulkar. Yeah, Tandul, it's true. Learn or Die has a good coding, like sports knowledge. There can be multiple with respect to positions. That is also true, bro. Sabhi. Virat is also pretty cool, bro. Feel free to like, hit this like, guys, in a name of the codes. Access the company tags for free. See, good. Adarsh is the goat of coding. पता नहीं भाई, you have a very good username, bro. For batsman, Tendulkar. For all-rounder, Jack Callis. For bowler, Stein Stark. For me. So for me, bro, for bat, I don't know batsman or bowler, but I'll say all-rounder. Yes, yes, it's very unique, bro. For me. Jack Callis has good stats, but if you compare, I don't think Jack Ellis was as good of a fielder, right? But he has like really good stats, like crazy stats. But Yuvraj has a crazy story also, right? Yep. But he never got the credit. I used to do it on GFG and switches to LeetCode now. Learn or die has a good knowledge. No, not at all, Sabi bro. Bro, I got stuck in 1838 problem. Unstuck, bro. Get unstuck. Watch a YouTube video, bro. More than enough, bro. Raghav, more than enough. Bro, I am just kidding, bro. Start learning from today itself. Have my DSA exam at 19, but they are suggesting me in doing in C's. Learn it or regret while dying. Oh, nice, bro. Currently, I am learning from. Nice, nice, bro. Shaurya Raj is also OG. Yeah, interview day is good, bro. Raghav, best. NISO Academy is good for computer networks. Abhishek, good, bro, that you still like came to know. I have to start graphs and from tomorrow I'll tag along with more coders here. Good, bro, good. Advanced. What do you mean by advanced concepts? Can you suggest me some channels where I can learn web dev? YouTube, bro. Like, okay, some channels. Net Ninja, Brad Traversy. How did it go, bro? Goats of M1, bro. Tough, bro. M2, M2. Bro, he is asking for web dev, Ashutosh. He's asking for a. Pata nahi bhai, no, bro. Where would I go by ignoring you? Rishabh Rawat, no, bro. I don't do it now. I am also a video editor, so you need any help, then feel free to ask me. I want to see you grow. अब पता नहीं भाई. Thank you, bro. But I don't really, bro, edit my videos. I just, bro, can check this decode ways. Is it related to, bro, watch a YouTube video on any of this. Just watch a YouTube video. Decode ways, I have solved it. Decode ways, I think. I think it is there in the neat code list. Bro, a random question to you guys. If you get an injection, how many days does it pain? If you get an injection, how many days does it pain? One day. I can improve your thumbnail. Bro, my thumbnail is not good, bro. Probably I spend more time than creating my thumbnails, bro. This is hurtful. Elegant engineer. I spend way too much time, bro. This thumbnail is not good, bro. See how good it is. Very aligned. The color scheme is also good. Thin injection, thin injection. 5 hours. Max 20 minutes. Max one day. Is there any difference between DSA? Yes, bro. Competitive programming is a whole different thing. DSA is a subset, bro. All these are like really good thumbnails. What are you saying? See how good thumbnails. What you will do? Send me on LinkedIn a sample. Send me a sample of this, bro. Probably I'll use your thumbnail then. Of course, I know something that by I'm saying yes, yes. Send me, bro. Send me. Depends on you. पता नहीं भाई. Send me on LinkedIn, bro. Can you ping me on LinkedIn? I will see if hmm, I will use your thumbnail, bro. Then design a thumbnail for this live stream. Ashutosh, yes, bro. VAT will or. This list is kind of growing and growing. I think it will grow more because I'll be adding HLD Xcalis also. So I'm waiting to hit because this post I created, this post just recorded Instagram design in 20 minutes. This I'm planning to put, but I'll wait for 1 or 2 days more and then I'll release it. I was waiting for to hit 5K, but I think 5K looks like a dream now. It's like 40, 50, maybe a few hours. Raghav, bro, keep upskilling, bro. Keep upskilling yourself. It's not something that you can control. Should I focus on solving hard problems or solve all the medium problems? Do both, bro. Don't stick to like one pattern. Start giving lead code contests so that you should be able to recognize patterns yourself. Abhishek, create a Discord group. I already have a Telegram look, bro. See, Raghav has completely put it right. CP is like a superset of DSA, bro. CP is a superset. DSA is a small topic within CP. CP is widespread concept. Like those who are really good competitive programmers, they are really good at DSA, but not vice versa. If you are good at DSA, that doesn't mean that you'll be good at CP. For example, me, you can take my example. I am okay at DSA, but that doesn't mean that I'm good at CP. How much time should we spend on a question? 60 minutes to 1 hour, bro, not more than that. I have answered your question. Best CP resource. Recto channel you should follow, Recto. I did not. Lali Patak to some extent, bro. Probably the best consistency I've seen at anyone's lead code. Wow. Who are you talking about, bro? Ashutosh, me or someone else? And Hawk, hello, bro, hello. Did I say? Damn, bro. Bro, ping me, don't tag me. Ping me, bro. 60 minutes to 1 hour. Oh, learn and I welcome to the channel, bro. Thank you for supporting. I'm not really getting members. I think 60 rupees per month is really big. CP resource, bro. Recto's channel is good. 60 minutes to 1 hour. Damn, bro. So I was going to say that, so if you watch this video, right, I've clearly mentioned in this video. So in this very beginner, 60 minutes or so. That's it. That is enough. In the message. Bro needs speed in doing problem. Learn or die. In your learn or die, bro. If you go to the channel now, right, you will see a membership tab. In there, you will find a Telegram link. So feel free to join that link. Bro, Ricto is good. Ricto CP. This how to start with competitive programmer, how to become red on code forces. I wasted my 1th and 2nd on bro one okay my 1st and 2nd year. I wasted my 1st and 2nd year doing free. So bro, doing freelance work is not waste I would say. You might have learned a lot of things from that, right? Yeah, those are good goats of football. Those are good. Bro, I have to put a chat here. That would be good because I have to always go to this screen to show chat on the UI. I'll have to bring the chat also on one of the screen here, but my monitor is small. It's not that big. Done, bro. I will accept it. Done, bro. Accepted. So buy one, you have a job. Bro, that I know, but then how, where I will keep it, right? Then that pop-out thing I am aware about, but let me try keeping it somewhere. No, bro, it's not coming because both of these screens are in full screen, bro. That pop-out thing I am aware of. LLD, HLD resources, everything, like guys, whatever I have gone through, everything is there on this channel. So UNX, so actually both of these are full screen, right? I can't bring a tab. Either I can make this small and then guys, let me know one thing. Do you think this whiteboard is useful for anyone who is coming in new? This is like my way of welcoming someone who is new to the channel. But I don't think people really take a look at that. If it is not important, then I can get rid of this and then put something else on this. But both of these are in full screen, so I'll not be able to bring anything else to this screen. No use case. So it is of no use. The right side. So I was answering LLD and HLD resources. So these are LLD and HLD resources that I personally. There are some of the more things that I have read. What was that? Yeah, majorly these only. Majorly these are my notes. If you anyone wants to take a look at this, those can take a look at that on that also. Don't ask for college companies don't ask for LLD HLD. Raghav bro, they have started asking for LLD. Uber have started asking in the group only. Is Faizan still there? Recto, no bro, recto, not recto, recto bro, recto, not recto. Make it small because sometime I watch your stream on mobile. We can't see your code properly. Make this small, like you are saying like this. Bro, if I am not able to make this more, okay, I'll make this more small. I'll do that. Noted. Raghav, they have started asking. They have started asking, bro. They have started asking. Yes, Visa is also asking. Oh, nice. Oh, not nice. Not nice, but yes. Good to know. Good to validate that people are asking, but I have a way of Amazon. Graph, priority queue, Uber has been asking HLD since past 2 years. In college also, UNS Factory. Everyone who is new, please feel free to give this thing like. It helps in growing the channel. Abhishek, okay, it is good. Add a face cam with these type of streams. Yeah, bro, I'll be bringing in the face cam soon. Looks like, pata nahi bhai, you are new, right? This is not like a first stream. This is episode 104. LLD, so much time it will take, bro. In LLD, so much time it will take. LLD is like a big thing. Indershit Das, bro, prepare behavioral properly. Hiring manager round behavior should be top notch. Prepare all the पता नहीं भाई, you are from civil branch. Do we need to know all design pat? No, bro, not all, Ashutosh. Like I myself don't know all. I know only four to five. Bro, if you see Ashutosh, if you click on this, right? If you go to Excali notes, in this you will see that I only know these designs. Strategy, observer, state, singleton, factory, and then maybe decorator and composite. So these are the only that I personally know. Bro, how do you guys study the subjects in the civil branch? Like what kind of subjects you have in civil branch? Is it 2 hours already? Yeah, bro, 2 hours 17 minutes. Okay, guys, can you please take my question? What was your question, bro? Please put your question again, bro. Okay, okay. Just put your question again, bro. Goats of football. I'll answer it. I'm launching my first startup. Nice. Yeah, he's from IIT Kanpur, I think. Hey, he was saying IIT. Bro, there are internship for software engineer AI ML. Bro, dry run. No, 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 Amit Kumar, not of all the questions, bro. One or two questions dry run is fine. You don't have to do dry run of all the questions. Qureshi has asked, bro, I personally do it in Java. You can pick any language. CS is language agnostic. Java is good. I also solve in Java, bro. Nice, nice, Salpal. That is a good question. Let me let me put 5 subscriber count stream. No result. Why no result? Learn or die, bro. Add. What should I add, bro? Oh, there is no good website that can give you that. Bro, my name is Jagrat, bro. You can see here, right? Uh, 21, bro. All of the information is there, bro. Pata nahi bhai, you are asking me one question that you can just get an answer at once only for all of the questions. Tani bhai, you are funny, bro. संकल्प क्या, don't give up bro, keep doing. No red t-shirt guy you can see, but you can see crazy brother. पता नहीं भाई, I've told right on this here on C 2021 bro. पता नहीं भाई. Okay, cool guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Uh, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.